What up, everybody? In this video I'm going to shortly explain to you how to make a frog, a walking frog, walk better. Basically what we're going to be doing is the frog mod. Now this is a typical frog. I'm pretty sure this is a Booyah frog. I picked it up at Academy for, I don't know, $5 or $6. And you know, it floats fine. There's no leaks in it or anything, but when I'm walking it, you know, I'm twitching it, reeling in the slack slowly like this. You know, it's not constantly walking. It'll go like, it'll just do some jerks, straightforward jerks. It'll walk sometimes. And then what I did is, what I'll tell you what I did to help you, and it turned out to be a lot better. Also, I'm going to shortly also say that one more thing after I tell you how to do the mod, is that you can do another mod to get better hook set ratio. So this is the frog. I know it's black and my shirt's dark gray, so it's gonna be hard to see, but the skirts on the end of the frog, what you do is, usually they're like this long, but this skirt's ending here. What you'll do is you'll take off about an inch off of both sides, and then on one of the sides, it doesn't matter, you'll take another ½ inch off. So it'll be like that. One side will be a little longer than the other, but both sides are trimmed. And what that'll do is when you're popping it, the skirt will allow it to grab more, because if it's even, it's going to want to just stay even, but if it's cattywampus like this, it's going to want to walk better. Now, I know you're going to be like, okay, well, one side's shorter, one side's longer. Isn't the shorter side going to walk that way more or the other way more? So to where you're asking is if it's going to walk one direction? No, because you're retrieving it to you. So when you popping it to you, it's going to walk for you. And that's basically the only thing that you need to do to make it walk better. Spooks don't need this because they don't have skirts. Spooks by themselves walk good. Another tip for helping it walk better is to pop it as low as you can directly under you. I know if you're on a bank and you have like an 8-foot rod, 7'5" or something, it's going to be tough. It's almost impossible to pop it below you. You're going to have to pop it to the side, and my tip is to throw it one sideways, like throw the bait 45 degrees to your left and pop it to the right, so it'll be somewhat straight, and then same thing with the other side. You know, cast to the right, pop it bottom left. But if you're on the boat, or if you're on anything when you're standing up on a dock maybe, you know, you can pop it right below you, straight to you, and that'll help with the walk. One quick thing I want to add as a bonus is, with most of the frog hooks, they usually come when the hooks are like inside the frog, almost inside, but just like they're touching the body. What you do is you grab some pliers, and all you do is you grab one side, or if you have 2 pairs of pliers, grab both, and you just want to slowly ease it out. Now don't grab the barb and don't grab the hook, grab behind the barb where the bend is, and you're going to want to try to bend it out to where it'll end up like this. Okay, so yeah, all you need is the scissors to trim the tails, the skirts. Trim both, but trim one side a little bit more. That's going to allow it to walk better. Other than that, I would recommend always trimming skirts down on frogs. Even if it's a popping frog, it'll allow that bait to look more compact and smaller. Also, the bass won't bite for the tail, the legs of them, so you'll get a better hook set ratio. But yes, spreading those hooks out will allow a better hook set ratio. And if I could say one more thing about hook set ratio with frogs, is use a heavy or an extra heavy rod. If you're using a medium or a medium heavy, you're going to have a hard time getting those hooks buried into those mouths of the bass, because these hooks are usually thicker. But that's about it, guys. This was just a quick video of helping you how to make a frog walk better, and just helping you with the frog experience, catching more fish with the frog and having a better time out there on the water. Just go down below if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Comments for any questions, and also comment for any other tips that I missed out. See you guys. Now let's get a B-roll shot.